So based on the questions I received last night, I think this is probably the flip that everyone has been waiting for, is what happens at the load side now? And this is a story of DC power in the rack moving to DC power in the pod. We talked about the capacity and the density. We are approaching physical limits now. Once you achieve or arrive at about 350 to 400 kilowatts in a rack level, connector sizes, bus bars, interconnect, and the physical amount of power that needs to be deployed and delivered over the copper, we run out of space. Further, we have been deploying rack-level power systems and power shelves that are taking up valuable U space in that rack. As we move to racks that are going from 72 GPUs in them to 576, taking up the entirety of that rack space, we physically don't have room for power in that shelf. So two things happen. Power shelves move out of the rack into a more standalone power center, and the voltage increases. We have aligned around 800 volt DC, as well as plus minus 400 volt DC to enable and unlock that higher level of voltage that will be tied to the IT to enable this densification to happen. The beauty of this approach is it allows all of the upstream AC infrastructure that we just talked about to still be fed into the IT. It keeps that power discussion contained to the IT. In much the same way a power shelf is delivered with a current GPU generation rack, I think what is different for Vertiv is we've been in development for a long time. The picture on the right is a real lab-level validation that we have going on right now with a customer with their intended GPU rack for this level of architecture that is going through not only customer validation, but the entire ecosystem validation for conversions, IT, the power distribution, and treating it as a bundled system. We are well within and well through engineering validation, and we are ready to take this into scaling.
Are there launch customers for your new products that you're rolling out?
Are there large customers for our new products?
Launch customers, pilot, launch customers?
Yes, not that I would be at liberty to disclose, but the vast majority of what we just talked about are specific or tied customer engagements that we are designing around, building around, and preparing for launch.